White-tailed jackrabbits can jump higher than 3 average men stacked. What do they mainly evade with these leaps? The answer is predators. This seagrass-grazing sea turtle gets its common name from the color of its fat. What hue is that fat? The answer is green. What single word describes the amount of dissolved salt in seawater? The answer is salinity. Which ingredient, accounting for roughly 90 to 97% of beer by volume, is so important that breweries often highlight its source? The answer is water. True or false? Distilled water conducts electricity well. The answer is false. What general term describes gases like carbon dioxide and methane that trap heat in Earth's atmosphere and drive global warming? The answer is greenhouse gases. Thanks to its Amazon rainforest and other ecosystems, this equatorial country consistently ranks as the world's most biodiverse. Name the country. The answer is Brazil. Though tides are driven by the moon's gravity, what natural force actually generates most ocean waves? The answer is wind. During intense wildfires, what rare phenomenon forms spinning, tornado-like columns of flame, smoke, and ash? The answer is fire whirl. The Cerrado, one of the world's most biodiverse savannas, is found on which continent? The answer is South America. Regulations in California ban ammunition containing which toxic metal to protect condors from deadly poisoning? The answer is lead. Which parasitic rainforest plant genus, lacking visible stems or leaves, produces the world's largest single flowers? The answer is Rafflesia. This 17 million-acre temperate rainforest spans about 90% of its state's southeastern panhandle. Which U.S. state is home to the Tongass National Forest? The answer is Alaska. Which invasive Asian constrictor, linked to over 90% declines in raccoons and marsh rabbits, now threatens Everglades National Park? The answer is Burmese python. With their trademark oversized ears, fennec foxes are native to which famous North African desert? The answer is Sahara Desert. Pando, the world's heaviest single living organism, covers over 100 acres in which U.S. state? The answer is Utah. Known for its extreme heat and vast stretches of sand, this desert is the world's largest hot desert. On which continent is it located? The answer is Africa. Drilling at the Macondo prospect in the Gulf of Mexico, the Deepwater Horizon rig was about 41 miles off the coast of which U.S. state when it exploded? The answer is Louisiana. What part of desert elephants is uniquely wide to help them traverse soft, loose sand without sinking? The answer is feet. How many tidal bulges does the moon's gravity create in Earth's oceans? The answer is 2.